Hello, my dear students. Lecture number 16 for CBSE board. Chapter number 6 Triangles. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some examples from exercise 6.4, question number 9. Side of two similar triangles are in the ratio 4:9. Area of these triangles are in the ratio. Now here some options are given. Now try to understand. Area on triangle ABC similar triangle PQ are given, and therefore and AB upon PQ is equal to 4 upon 9 given. Therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square is equal to 16 upon 81, and therefore area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 is to 81. Option D. Okay. Now I will explain you one more theorem number 7, which is also very important. Similarity in right angle triangle. So this is very important. Here I describe one very important property, so therefore concentrate. Triangle ABC is right angle at B. Seg BD perpendicular hypo AC. So suppose this is a right angle triangle at B, and this is a BD is perpendicular drawn on hypo from opposite vertex. Then now this BD divides original triangle into two triangles. These two triangles are similar, and this triangle is similar to original triangle, and this triangle is similar to original triangle. So this similarity is very important. Okay. Now try to remember this sequence. Triangle ABC similar triangle ADB, because this angle is equal to 90, this angle is equal to 90, and this angle is common. So by a test, triangle ABC similar triangle ADB. Similarly, triangle ABC similar triangle BDC. So in this case, angle C is common, angle D and angle B each is of 90 degree, and therefore these two triangles are similar by a test. So in this case, sequence is what very important. Now triangle ABC similar triangle ADB and triangle ABC similar triangle BDC, and therefore these two triangles are also similar. So this is a transitivity property. Okay. Now triangle ADB similar triangle DBDC, if you write their sides, then BD square, you will get BD square is equal to AD into DC. So this BD is perpendicular drawn on hypo. So BD square is equal to AD into DC. So this is called geometric mean property. Now BD is geometric mean of AD and DC. Theorem number 8. Pythagoras theorem. So this theorem is also what very important for exam point of view. So in right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Okay. Key one. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90. To prove AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, construction, draw seg BD perpendicular hypo AC. Proof. In triangle ABD, in right angle triangle ABC, sec BD perpendicular hypotenuse AC, and therefore triangle ABC similar triangle ADC, similarity in right angle triangle, and therefore AB upon AD is equal to AC upon AB, corresponding sides of similar triangle, and therefore AB square is equal to AC into AD. Statement number 1. Similarly, triangle ABC, similar triangle BDC, similarity in right angle triangle, and therefore BC upon DC is equal to AC upon BC. So corresponding sides of similar triangle, and therefore BC square is equal to AC into BC. Statement number 2. Now, adding equation number 1 and 2, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC into AD plus AC into DC. Now here you take AC common, and therefore AB square plus BC square is equal to AC into bracket AD plus DC, and AD plus DC is equal to AC, and therefore AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Hence Pythagoras theorem is proved. Okay, now this is very important theorem. Remember this. Theorem number 9, converse of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now this is also very important. Now in triangle, if square of one side is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides, then the angle opposite to the first side is right angle. Okay, so this is a triangle ABC and this is triangle PQR given. Okay, now in this case AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square given. Given in triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. To prove angle B is equal to 90 degree. Now construction is very important. Construction, draw triangle PQR in which PQ is equal to AB, QR is equal to BC, and angle Q is equal to 90 degree. So in this way you draw this triangle and then try to understand proof. In triangle PQR, angle Q is equal to 90 degree. Construction, and therefore PR square, so this is right angle triangle, and therefore PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square, Pythagoras theorem. But AB is equal to PQ and BC is equal to QR, construction, and therefore PR square is equal to AB square plus BC square. But AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square given, and therefore PR square is equal to AC square, and therefore PR is equal to AC. Now in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR, and PR is equal to AC, and therefore triangle ABC congruent triangle PQR. Okay, and therefore angle B is equal to angle Q, corresponding angle of congruent triangle. But angle Q is equal to 90 given construction, and therefore angle B is equal to 90, and hence theorem is proved. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.